She's waiting for him to throw it, and she's hiding from the camera. You see that? She hid her face from the camera.
I know. When I had her outside last summer, and
Jaden can't throw your toy, Molly.
I was trying to take her picture, and every time I did, I swear she turned away. Let's draw. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Good throw, Jaden.
Good throw.
Yay!
Oh, she brought it back to you this time. I think it's because you're behind the camera.
Yeah.
You almost got it, Jaden. You almost kicked it off.